Notion Productivity App Review. Still good? Links to the product are in the description. Notion in 2025 remains one of the most versatile productivity apps on the market, ideal for individuals, knowledge workers, small teams, and cross-functional groups who need a single workspace for notes, tasks, databases, and documentation. Its core strength lies in its block-based editor. You can build pages out of text, to-do lists, tables, boards, calendars, and databases, giving you full control over how work and information are organized. For task and project management, Notion's database system lets you create a task tracker that links tasks to projects or goals, assigns owners, sets due dates, priorities, and statuses. You can view that data in multiple ways, as a Kanban board, a timeline, a calendar, or a table, which means Notion adapts to your preferred workflow rather than forcing you into a rigid model. On the documentation side, Notion is exceptionally strong. You can write spec documents, meeting notes, SOPs, and wikis, all in the same workspace, and easily link them to relevant tasks or projects. This single source of truth setup dramatically reduces context switching and keeps teams aligned. Collaboration works seamlessly. Team members can comment on any block, tag one another, and co-edit pages in real time. Version history ensures you can track changes and revert if needed, while page-level permissions let you control who can view or edit specific content. Notion also supports robust templating. Once you design a workflow, database, or meeting structure, you can save it as a template and reuse it across different projects or teams. For reporting and tracking, you can build dashboards using filtered database views to surface open tasks, overdue items, or project milestones. Though it doesn't offer built-in advanced analytics, the flexibility of its databases lets power users model what they need. Notion integrates via API and supports connections to Slack, Google Workspace, GitHub, and other tools, enabling you to tie your workspace into your broader tool stack. A downside is that Notion doesn't have native time tracking, so you'll need to rely on external tools or integrations for that. Also, its flexibility can lead to workspace clutter if users don't maintain structure, which makes initial setup and governance important. But overall, for anyone who wants a unified productivity app that combines note-taking, knowledge management, task tracking, and collaboration, Notion remains extremely powerful and relevant in 2025. It's still very good at bringing all your ideas and work into one beautifully flexible space.